This procedure covers the use of an eyelet for the repair of a damaged land on a plated hole that has an inner layer connection. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is medium. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Note: be sure to select an eyelet meeting the proper criteria. An eyelet with an oversized flange may interfere with adjacent circuits. An eyelet that is too short will not protrude through the circuit board for proper setting. Step 1. Clean the area. Step 2. Examine the hole to ensure that there is no damage to the wall of the hole. Check continuity to establish the integrity of the connection. Step 3. Select an eyelet using the eyelet selection criteria. Use a pin gauge and caliper to measure the existing plated hole dimensions. The eyelet must have an inside diameter sufficient to receive the component lead and an outside diameter that will allow the eyelet to be inserted into the hole without force. Step 4. Remove oxides from the surface lands where the eyelet is to be installed using a buffer and clean. Step 5. Apply a small amount of liquid flux to the land or circuit on the circuit board surface, if any, and tin with solder using a soldering iron and solder. Clean the area. Step 6. Insert the eyelet into the hole. If a new circuit is required, the new circuit may extend into the hole and the flange of the eyelet will secure the new circuit in place. Step 7. Select the proper setting tools and insert them into the eyelet press. Step 8. Turn the circuit board over and rest the eyelet flange on the lower setting tool. Step 9. Apply firm even pressure to flare the eyelet barrel. Step 10. Change the upper setting tool from a flare tool to a flat end tool. Apply firm even pressure to flatten the eyelet barrel. Note: inspect the eyelet for evidence of damage. Step 11. Apply a small amount of liquid flux and solder the eyelet flange to the lands on the circuit board surface if necessary. Clean the area. Inspect for good solder flow and wetting around the eyelet flange and lands. Step 12. Clean the area. Step 13. Install the component lead and solder, if required. Evaluation. Step 1. Visual examination, dimensional requirement of land diameter and inside diameter. Step 2. Electrical continuity measurement.